class 3 of the Classify app. All right, training. So right about now, we want to talk about how you can add your daily task, set your timetable on the app for class recording. All right, so that when you are done recording your class, your school owner can listen to whatever you have taught at the end of the day. So educators, esteemed educators, how do we go about this? Follow me. Now, still talking about our dashboard. Remember that there are three parts of our dashboard here. We have the timeline, we have your tasks and attendance. All right, we have new post, right? Yes. So the second part is what we are looking at. Although we have already talked about this part, we only talk about it on how to what's it called now, re-upload your attendance. All right, but right about now we want to talk about it on how to add tasks to our Classify app and for audio recording. So how do we go about that? You see the part that says that still follow my course or your tasks for the day. Just click on that small, let me go back so that you can see clearly. At the extreme part, you see the place that says add or remove tasks, right? Just click on that part. All right, and at the down part you see that it says you should add the new task. So either class tasks, daily tasks, weekly tasks, one-time tasks. I will explain all of that very soon now. So but the most important one is the class task. So how do we go about the class tasks? Yes, this your class tasks works like your timetable in school. So you add subjects here. So there are basically two subjects. Sorry, let it refresh here. Good. Two subjects currently on this school portal. So you add the subject you teach. So for example, for primary teachers now, you have to add a lot of subjects. But one thing about this is that it's one off. When you set it once, that is it. Until you leave the school, or maybe your timetable was now revised, all right, or reviewed, all right. That is when you have to set it again. So what class do you take? Say for example, I'm a private teacher. I teach English language. So what class did I teach? Say GS1 English. Sorry. Let me click on it again. So GS1. Select the day of the week that you teach them. Let's say Monday. Select the time you teach them. Let's say 1 p.m. Yes. So I will click on the down part that says create task. All right, and that task has been added. So every Monday by 1 p.m. the app will always notify me that there is a class I need to teach, which is GS1 English. Do you get the point there now? So I will go again. If there's another subject I teach, I will click on what's it called now? Class tasks again. And that is how I will set my timetable on the app for all the days of the week and for all the subjects I teach. Once I am done with that, the app will daily remind me of that task that I need to carry out. All right, if I click on the three dots, I can view my attendance for that class, how well have I been going to that class. If I go back again, if I click three dots again, I can view more. I can curate, I can edit the profile, change my all of that is not needed for you though. All right, so but the most important one is to view the attendance and how you have been doing in that class. All right, so you can see that your task for today says resumption of work, and at the down part it says English language class with GSS1, and that is how the app will continuously update me. So if I do more than one class, if I teach more than one class, I'll put it there. If I teach more than one subject, I'll put it there, and the app will daily be loading me with that reminder. And many tasks, we have daily tasks. If you have any daily tasks you perform in your school, maybe there's a task you used to do every day, you can tell the app to remind you. If there's a weekly task, you can tell, maybe you submit lesson note every Friday, the app can always be reminding you. Maybe there's also one-time task that you perform, the app rather can always be reminding you. Just follow the description, set your calendar, set the time and all of that. Just follow it. Is as simple as that. All right, so once you are done, once it's time for that class, the app will say this class will be recorded. So I tap on this. Once the app remind me, I'll just come here and click English language, English, and it will tell me this class will be recorded. I will say yes, start class. Watch this. So recording class, allow while using the app. Your class has started and has been marked as active. Record class. So the app has started recording me. Hello student, what are you doing today? English language. Let's talk about homophones and synonyms. Homophones, synonym, antonyms, like that. I continue like that. At the down part, if I'm done with class, I'll just click on this swipe to end class. So when it says swipe to end class, it will request me to to scan the barcode of my class. So your school now will have downloaded the barcode for every classes, and you paste it on the wall. It's different from the one you used to submit daily attendance. This one will carry the name of your class, JSS1 and JSS2. So when you are done recording, you just scan that barcode, and your attendance, your recording will be submitted to your it's still recording me, and your recording will be submitted to your school owner. So that is that about class tax and how to record your class. Thank you.